Let's learn how you can monetize your TikTok account. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every device. Now without any delay, let us open our TikTok application and you will have to go to your profile. Now once you're on your profile, click on this TikTok Studio button and it will open new page. Now you can see this monetization section. But before we do that, we will check our account. So you click on account check and just wait 10 seconds and see if your account is in good standing. That means you're not shadow banned or anything. And that means you're good to get monetized. Now you will have to click on Creator Rewards Program. And if you're not available for the program, it will say that you need to increase your video views and post 1 minute or longer videos. But now if you go to our Safari browser, for CRP requirements on TikTok, you will have to be 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers and have at least 100,000 video views in last 30 days. So that are the requirements before you will able to get monetized. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.